Everybody, my name's Abdullah, and I hope you guys are having a very good day today. And today, have you guys ever wondered how TV remotes work? So today, I'm gonna be explaining how they work. So here's a TV, and here's a IR receiver. So what a TV remote does, every time you press a button, it sends a hex code signal to your IR receiver. And you see my TV here. You see that red little LED there? They have this module inside that. So whenever I press a button on the TV, it will all receive the hex code over there and turn on the TV. So today what I'm gonna be doing is explaining how to retrieve that hex code, and also made a project where I control all these LEDs with my remote, which is pretty cool. So let's start by finding out what the hex codes are. So as you see, I have my code here. There's a whole library in Arduino, which is the irremote.h, and over here I have the print code in the hex. So let me run this. Take 1 second. There we go. It's done. So what it's gonna do? It's gonna print all the hex code that is transmitting from here to there. So this is like a transmitter device, is a receiving device. So whenever I press a button, it will send a hex code there. So I'm gonna press the power button, and as you see, it sends a hex code message over there, which is pretty cool. Oh, my TV turned on. Okay, now let's turn on another thing. Let's use this volume up button. Here, as you see, it's receiving the volume hex codes. This is how the TV also detects what you're pressing, and it also shows that on the TV. It's pretty cool. So now this is how I get the hex code. Then I have a whole new other. Let me close this. Let me open it. Now I have a whole new other code where I use these hex code, which is right here, for every single button to turn on, like buzzer on, buzzer off, white LED on, white LED off. And I use all these hex codes that I get from the remote, and then I'm using them to turn on and off the LEDs. So let me upload this. Uploading. Done uploading. So let's start. So now I noticed that we have 4 colored buttons on our remote, which is pretty cool. So I'm using the colored buttons to show which LED. So let me zoom out. Sorry. Okay, here. Now I'm using the color red, so I'm gonna show this over here. There you go. As you see, the red LED turns on. Now let's do the second one, which is the green LED, which is next to the red one. There you go. The green LED turned on. So the next one, which is the yellow one. The yellow one turned on. Then the blue one. The blue one turned on. And now for the white one, there wasn't a button, so I'm just using source. There you go, the white LED. It looks blue, but it's a white LED. So now I'm also have a cool little new thing that I added is the buzzer. And the buzzer is basically, it turns it makes a sound. So now let me put the volume up. As you see, the buzzer's turning on. Now let me put the volume back down. The buzzer's off. Let me go a little back and show you. I'm turning the volume up. The sound comes from the buzzer. Off. This is so cool. So, and now I have a cool little last button, which is a power off button. It will turn everything. Let me turn on the buzzer so if it hurts your ears. I turn everything on and then press power off, and everything will turn off. And go. Oh, it's so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project that I made, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.